W Trek, in Torres, Paine, which is in Chile, and it is a 5-day, 4-night backpacking trip, and that's all I got.
Is it the M trek, depending on which way you look at it?
I mean, we are on the other side of the Earth, so maybe it does flip. Wow.
It's our thought process to carb up since we're going to be eating granola bars for the next 5 days. We literally ordered everything on the menu.
Pizza margarita.
Yes, gracias.
Spicy mashed potatoes, that's unique.
I'm trying jalapenos.
Alright, so we get $3. It's pretty good. Yeah, we didn't do anything we separated last night. We didn't get water. We didn't do anything.
I thought so much about the story I wanted to tell with this. You know, I thought about making it action-packed with a bunch of music. I thought about just making it silent, showcasing the beautiful landscape. I thought about YouTube, you know, what's gonna get me more views? What does a viewer want to see? What story do they want to hear? And the more I got into it, the more I realized, you know, it's not about what the viewer wants. The story's about 3 friends who packed up, went to South America, spent 5 days hiking 60 plus miles, and doing something we felt like was an accomplishment, something that we could hang our hat on, write home about. And this is that story. We start at Paine Grande, work our way to Glacier Gray, and then from Glacier Gray we double back to Paine Grande, over through Britannica, down to Cuernos, and then we end in Chileno. Then from Chileno we make our way back to the bus stop to pick us up and head home. It's called the W Trek because the trail, well, makes a W. The goal of the day is to make it to the next shelter. You get up and you're pushing just to get a roof over your head. You have roughly, 4 to 11 hours, depending on the day that you're hiking, to get yourself under a roof.
How's it feel to get them puppies off, boy? Everybody's got. What we do? End up doing a little over 7 miles.
I had 7.77. Average heart rate 115. About 3.5 hours. And then there's that. Not bad.
It's a cool view to wake up to with your coffee.
Good morning from my tent that I don't know how it didn't get swept away in the wind last night. But it's like, sounds like it's pouring down the rain on and off. The wind is still like going crazy. I slept like shit. I couldn't sleep, man. The wind just kept like hammering the tent and it would just like wake you up. So it's gonna be a long 7 miles today. At least it's a short hike. We'll see how it goes.
It's just
All right, day 2 morning, fellas. How are we feeling today?
Alive.
Energized.
How'd we sleep?
Honestly, very solid.
I would say a 7.5 out of 10.
All right.
I'd go 8.5.
I think you guys know that I didn't sleep very well because I told you about it last night. We're gonna hit the Glacier trail here. We're gonna try to get right up on the glacier and see its magnificent glow. They were not kidding. I'm like getting blown over. Afraid I'm gonna lose my camera. That is. I hate using the word epic, but that's pretty epic. This is awesome.
Gotta go under here.
It's rare to find a group of friends who just drop everything and go to South America to hike God knows how many miles. But when you find friends like that, you gotta keep them close. I think, we get so caught up in, hey, I gotta work all the time, I gotta take minimum time off. And so really the last year or so, it's just really hit me that, hey, I'm not getting any younger, and we need to get out and really take advantage of this world and this life and do cool stuff like this. What was our final clock in today, Sam?
Hold on, keep walking. 7.99 right now.
Okay.
Cash, that's where we did the.
Yeah.
So we're gonna clock in at 8, and I don't know when. Right now, 8 miles.
8 miles.
Well, this far.
We're finally at our next refugee point. We got day 3 on the W Trek. Who wants to
Sunny morning.
do the?
Besides these mosquitoes, spirits are high.
We don't know how high they're going to be after today.
So everyone, today is the day. We've done about 7 miles each day. This one is closer to 13.
Oh, they're saying 16.
Yeah.
Closer to 16.
We've also
apologies.
found out if you're on the W Trek, the signs are not correct.
And
So-
there's some elevation today. The glimmer of hope in today's is we get to drop a bag at a refugio, and we do a few hours bagless. So we'll see you guys on the other side.
Yeah, we're gonna get some coffees, take a seat, and then really get into this thing.
Which is right there.
We've talked to several people last night, and they said that don't take the 13 for face value. They said expect more like 16 and what they say, 12 hours of hiking.
11.
11 to 12 hours of hiking. So we're taking off here at 7 a.m. So we're gonna see what happens here. We'll see you on the trail. made it to Italiano. How far are we in, Sam?
We are 5.58.
5.58. This is supposed to be the worst part of it here. So
Can I have you finagle, because we're soaking wet, my poncho over my backpack? You'd like fuck that inside of it. Oh, that's gonna be a fucking time.
where we keep our stuff, we get to drop our day packs, head into the abyss up there. To death, baby.
What we're on now is called the push to Britannica. Britannica is this area that's way up in the mountains, like it's a 4-mile straight up trip into the mountains. And the thing is, when you're hiking through the forest, and then all of a sudden you pop out of the trees, and here is this beautiful mountain vista where you're just completely surrounded.
Hey, what took you guys so long?
My dog is barking head.
Yeah, that was
Big one.
that was a lot more intense than I wanted it to be.
More than we bargained for. I need
That was
to
a,
find an Advil and then no crossband.
It's an 8-miler round trip through a lot of rocks.
Look at that beer a guy has. Looks like a draft. That's what I'm talking about right there. That looks good.
Nice.
Holy
That was a hike.
final thoughts, fellas.
incredible. Thirsty. Hard. Very thirsty. That was fucking fun.
German as well in school.
What are we choosing to 18 miles?
They do it at 18. Like we speak.
What is it? This is day 4?
Day 4, baby.
Day 4.
It's day 4.
Going from Cuernos to Chileno, 11 kilometers. So practically a third of what we did yesterday. So I think we're all feeling pretty fucking good about that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we were in that last night. But we didn't have anything booked. We ended up first.
It was already preset. Like there was already written numbers.
Give ours. First 10. We're that first 10.
Are we gonna hike up together, y'all? Like, should we meet here in the morning?
I'm down.
The friends one meets while traveling are the ones who are also willing to have their minds open. They're the ones who are willing to run away from home, see new sights, meet new people, eat new foods, and walk new trails. And what's so sad about it all is most of them you'll probably never see again. But it's in these little moments, over some bread, some soup, coffee, that you feel the closest to somebody. Almost like you've known these people your entire life.
What'd you think? Which one? Do you remember which one it was? Blues? Blue on Eyes? Yeah. What'd you think? It's a lot. It's heavy. Well, this is gross, so I'm putting the video. Day 4 and no shower.
It's like sleep, exercise,
body weight,
hydration.
so.
You have these like big pillars. Yeah.
It's good to go.
Are we ready, team?
Yeah.
Good morning. Good job, you guys.
That's a burner, man.
That was pretty nutty.
It's not wanting to focus. What do you think, Sam?
Fucking tires, what I think.
Here's our current terrain.
The newly formed Team Pineapple got up around 3:30 a.m. and we made our ascent to get the best view of Torres del Paine for the sunrise. We purposely did the W trek in reverse so that we could build anticipation all week for this one final moment.
W.
Woo! Winners!
Good job, guys.
Want to see him interview? That was easy, dude. Bring on the L.
Oh, ready to do it again. Coolest thing I've ever done.
Loved it, loved it. Bonding. Loved it.
Can't wait to do it again tomorrow. We're coming back.
Yeah.